First time personalized new. OEM VITESCO VGS4-0 NAG2 unit through Diagnostics only. No opening the module, no soldering, no hardware intervention. This is the extreme FBS4 VGS4-0 NAG2 tool by DiagCode. First, we connect the original module and read the information. We can see the VIN, EHS number, SCN coding, and module data. Next, we press Read to save all original information. The software automatically creates two files, EEPROM and FBS. Later in the process, these files will be used to personalize the new module. Now we disconnect the original module and connect the new one. This is the original module and this is the new one. First, we read the module information and we can see that the new module has no stored vehicle data. To verify this, we also connect it with Vediamo and check the module status. First, we check the serial number. Then we check the SSID, where no information is stored. Next, we check the activation status and confirm that the module is not activated and not personalized. Now we know the module is completely empty. We return to the DiagCode software. First, we press Read again, so the EEPROM and FBS files from the new module can also be saved. Once this step is complete, we begin the personalization process. We press Personalize and select the FBS file from the original module. Then, we simply follow the software instructions. Once personalization is completed, we move to the remaining vehicle data. We copy the VIN number from the original module's info file, paste it into the software, and press Write VIN. Next, we repeat the exact same process for the EHS number. Copy, paste, and write EHS. After that, we move to the flash application number. We need to flash the correct application version from the original module's info file. We press Flash and select the file with the correct application number. Then we wait for the process to complete. The final step is SCN coding. From the drop-down menu, we select the correct model and press Write SCN. And now the process is complete. The module is fully activated with the same VIN as the original module, the same EHS number, the same SCN coding, the same flash application number. And all of this is done without opening or physically modifying the module, entirely through the extreme FBS4 VGS4-0 NAG2 tool by DiagCode.